In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com AI Assistant. Let's start from the beginning. First, log into your Monday.com account as you normally would. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand panel where all your boards are listed. Choose the specific board where you want to use the AI Assistant. This is important because the assistant will use the information and context from the board you have open. When your chosen board is open, shift your attention to the top center area of the screen. There, you should see an option called Sidekick. This is Monday.com's built-in AI assistant. Click on Sidekick and you'll notice a drawer sliding open on the right side of your screen. That drawer is where you'll interact with the AI. Inside the Sidekick panel, you'll see a chat field. This is where you type in what you want help with. Think about the board as a whole and what you need from it. For example, you might ask the AI to summarize all tasks due this week, rewrite a description more clearly, or suggest a project plan based on the items you already have. Be as clear and specific as you can, because better prompts usually lead to better answers. Once you've typed your request, hit send and wait for the reply to appear in the panel. After a moment, the AI will generate a response. Read through what it gives you to make sure it matches what you had in mind. Often, at the bottom right of the AI's reply, you'll see options like copying the content or saving it as a document. Use copy if you want to paste the text into an item, an update, or somewhere outside Monday.com. Use the save option if you want to keep the response as a document that you can reference later without losing it in the chat. Now, if you want to use the AI assistant for a single item instead of the entire board, the process is very similar. Find the specific item you're working on in your board. On the right side of that item, you'll see the AI Sidekick icon. Click that icon, and again, a panel will slide open on the right. From here, just repeat the same steps. Type in your prompt, focusing on that individual item, send it, review the response, and then copy or save it as needed. This item level use is perfect when you need help drafting text, improving a description, or generating ideas tied to that one task or record.